many people have been down here swimming around, eh? This is absolutely next level. We are in the Faroe Islands, guys. We're here for a week and we're going to try and do as much coast-steering exploration as we can. So the Faroe Islands, why are we here? It is some of the highest sea cliffs in Europe and some of the largest sea caves in the world. Needless to say, I'm expecting there to be some amazing coast-steering exploration to do. I'm here with Ben.
Hi, how you doing?
Ben's my very good mate, and we've been on many coast-steering adventures together.
I've wanted to come here for a very long time. Why? Quite simply because of the sea caves. Some of the largest sea caves actually in the world are supposed to be down here, so we're going to be investigating those, maybe even finding a few new ones along the way.
So we're here in a tiny, isolated settlement of Gasadalur, and we've literally just arrived, and Gasadalur is home to one of Faroe's most iconic landmarks, one of the epic waterfalls that goes into the sea called Mulafossur, and it may be, we're about to find out, maybe the scene of our first coast-steering exploration. So let's go and have a look. Here we are, one of the most iconic landmarks in the Faroes, Mulafossur. And many people come here and see the waterfall from this angle where we are right now, but I can guarantee you almost no one sees it from coast-steering down at the bottom. The swell conditions really look quite agreeable, and the forecast would suggest that all week we should be able to get in the sea if we choose our locations carefully. So we're kind of here for a recce. Can we get in the sea and do a bit of coast-steering here? And the other thing we need to really be careful of is obviously with such famously steep cliffs, much of the coastline here, there are just no ways up and down for kilometres at a time. So we need to pick points where, such as here, we can either get down to the sea easily. It will be an out and back coast here, there's no way up over there for absolutely certain. But we'll get to go coast steer under a massive sea waterfall. We don't get to do that very often, and check out some of those big caves and potentially see what's around the corner there. Right, here we are, guys. We are about to go coast-steering at Mulafossur, coast-steering on the Faroe Islands. So, has anyone ever done this on this particular stretch of coast? No idea, but we're going to do it. Looking forward to it. Right, we're pretty much ready to go. There goes Ben, he's found a suitable starting ledge. I mean, the scenery is everything we hoped it would be. Amazing. Possibly a fruity little starting jump here. Hell up. Right, starting with a big jump. Can't pretend I'm not a little bit nervous. I like it, big in the lip. Yeah, boy! Right, we're certainly in a section where it's pretty much swimming is your only option. I've managed to get onto this ledge, but it's not worth the effort, it's so slippery. So lots of good caves here, and I think this might be a potential problem with the Faroes in general. Amazing cave potential, but a lot of it, like just along there and in here, you just have to swim it.
I'm so glad we've got gloves. Although it's sunny out here, my gosh, it's cold.
He's dead right, it is cold. We're prepared for cold. Apparently the water temperature is 8 degrees. We've got 6mm suits, hats and gloves, but still it's very apparent that it's cold. Not many coasters you get to do this. Right, trying to make the back of this cave. Bit of swell, bit of boulders, lovely. There's Ben in there somewhere. As you say, dude, not many people have been in here.
Rare place to be.
Oh dear. Oh.
I'd imagine there's probably a very exclusive club of people that have seen that view.
Yeah, this is the view. Amazing. We know out round the corner there's another potentially quite deep looking cave. So
We've got to go explore that, man.
that's our next destination.
Awesome.
Let's do it. Okay. Make our way out through this potentially hazardous boulder field. Despite appearance, it's not slippery rock, which is useful. There we go, wave on. Proper super seaweed in here. Look at that view. Brilliant. Look at this. Yeah, boy. How many people have been down here swimming around, eh? Awesome. Right, no sooner said than done, we've arrived at this, our first proper Faroese sea cave. Let's see what this has to offer. It does look huge from the shore opposite. It does disappear into the darkness. Here we go. Wow, it's massive. So, what's the roof there? At least 10 meters high? Yeah. Well, in we go. Terrifying as always, glad Ben's here. Not very much in there, it's not dark enough yet. These are always terrifying places, man. Woohoo. Right, we're almost at the back. This one isn't too deep. What a very odd thing to be doing. Oh, right. I think we can afford to move on. This is well slippery. Alright, off we go. Round the corner from that cave. A few little ledges. And a little jump here. All a bit of metal work, just like you get home in Cornwall, inexplicable. Old fisherman's paraphernalia. What a little treat. Yeah, man, we're not getting in the back of that one. Looks like it's a little pillar in this kind of undercut. From here we can go around the back of that, I would have thought. I think. Kind of glad I didn't get sucked down with that one. Wow. Dude, look at this. Oh wow. Got a little little pothole there. Amazing. Wow. Wonder if it comes out down there somewhere. Yeah. Wow, what a place. Very weird.
Wow.
Yeah. Right, we're on foot for a little bit. That's always good. Slippery. Oh, absolute world of slipperiness here. Obviously we're used to plenty of that. Traversing these ledges around the corner from Mulafossur. We're not going to try and go too much further. There's a kind of gully inside there. Again, a bit of a jump up here, so all the ingredients. Some unnecessary ingredients, like lots of green slime. Right, to have another jump. So these are quite modest cliffs by Faroese standards. Right, we've crossed this platform around this whole bay and we're coming onto this gully here. Right, we're here. We've got a jump down there. Right, here we go. Can't come down the gully. Ben's taking the dry land option, so rendezvous with him. So we might have found a possible way out. It looks like a crazy fisherman's path up that cliff. So let's go and check that out. Here, man, and then that looks like a reasonable way. This is easy steps here, man. That's an easy spot. If you see a way there, go for it. Yeah, you got it, nice. Right, there we go. We have managed to exit here. Ben had an interesting choice of route. Lovely slippery climb, and now we're going to see, we think it might be an old fisherman's route. There's loads of old metal stumps. But just because the Faroese did it doesn't mean we can. Oh, there's actually some old steps. Weird. Unbelievable what we find out here on the coast. Are we on? Or have we reached an impasse? Oh wow! This is a spot. It's the barbecue spot, man. The next bit looks a bit goey.
Welcome to Faroe Islands.
Yeah. I'm not sure I should even video this next bit, people.
No, I think it's probably not for the best.
Right, we'll hopefully check in at the top. There, we made it up the tricky step, and actually it was fairly straightforward. Right, we've come around this ledge. Oh, and we can't quite see the waterfall. But yeah, we see the little bay. Mulafossur's in there, and the caves. The big cave we went to is probably right underneath us. And that is where we started, over there.
Wicked.
So there we go, dude.
Nice one, man.
First coasteering in the Faroes done. Right, it's time to go and actually find our bed for the night. And hopefully our host hasn't given it to someone else. Well, stay tuned, guys. This is just the beginning. Have no idea what amazing adventures are planned over the next few days. There we go. Back in Gasadalur.
Mulafossur is actually just a 10-minute drive from the international airport on the island of Vágar, so we'd come straight here after landing. It was now time to find our accommodation in Torshavn on Streymoy before heading to an important meeting on Coasteering.
Right, we are off to see our special connection, who you'll meet shortly, and we're going through the Coasteering tunneling. And what do you say, it's the only subsea roundabout?
It's the only first and only subsea roundabout in the world. Here we go.
Alright, we're in. Ben's just eating literally the biggest pizza I've ever seen. But we are near Runavik, and we are going to meet our new friend Torek, who is someone we met online, but he is an avid adventurer in the Faroes. He's a deep sea fisherman, and in his spare time he explores sea caves, climbs sea stacks, does all, you name it, he's done it. Okay, so he's hopefully gonna help us in some of our adventures, so let's go meet him.
So over some Faroese beers and traditional dried fish prepared by Torek himself, we hatched some devilish plans for some epic Faroese adventures. Of course, you're going to have to watch the subsequent videos to find out what we get up to. So make sure you're subscribed, as the Faroe Islands didn't fail to deliver some truly awesome adventures.